In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a table to a calendar in Notion. If you want to turn your existing table database into a calendar view so you can see entries by date, this process is quick and very easy to set up. The nice thing is that you're not creating a separate database. You're simply adding a new way to view the same information, which means any updates stay connected automatically. Start by opening the table database you want to display on a calendar. Make sure this is the database that already contains the entries you want to organize by date. Once you're inside the database, click the View Options button and choose New View. This lets you create a different layout for the same data without affecting your original table. Next, enter a name for the new view. Choose something clear and recognizable, like a name that tells you this is your calendar version of the database. This makes it easier to switch between views later, especially if you use multiple layouts. After naming the view, select Calendar from the available view types. This tells Notion that you want your database entries displayed on a calendar instead of in rows and columns. You'll then need to review the date property under the Show Calendar by setting. This part is important because the calendar needs a date field in order to place each item on the correct day. Choose the date property you want Notion to use. Also take a moment to confirm the correct database is selected under Source. This helps ensure you're building the calendar from the right table and not pulling from a different data source by mistake. From there, adjust the calendar settings if needed. You can choose options such as how the calendar should be displayed and whether weekends should be shown. These settings are mostly about visibility and preference, so set them in the way that works best for your workflow. When everything looks right, click Done to create the calendar view. Now review the calendar and make sure your database entries appear on their assigned dates. If the dates are set correctly in the table, the items should show up in the proper places automatically. You can click any calendar item to open it and view or edit its details. This is helpful when you want to manage tasks, events, or deadlines directly from the calendar layout. If you need to make changes, go back to the table database and update dates as needed. Because both views are connected to the same database, those changes should update automatically in the calendar view. Finally, verify that the updates appear correctly in the calendar. That confirms your table and calendar are fully linked and working together. Thanks for watching.